Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I tried this. Um, I tried this Mexican restaurant out, and I'm gonna show you guys the name of it. This is the name, and they is really from Mexico. Yeah, that's the name of the restaurant. That's the name of the restaurant. It's kind of like a market and restaurant. So I did taste it. And the only reason you see this right here is because I gave my husband a piece. But yeah, see? And the green chili is really nice. It's spicy. You guys didn't get that bite. So you think this is cheese, Keisha?
That's not cheese, that's guacamole.
This white?
Yes.
Have you guys ever heard that before? Or you mean sour cream?
Sour cream, I mean.
Oh, Lord. I said, how
like, that's what it tastes like. It don't taste like.
How is guacamole look white? But look, that's the carne asada. And they got the rice inside of it. And it's really good.
Mm-hmm.
See, and the green chili is really spicy, you guys.
And it's probably that good cream, sour cream.
See, they got even cheese inside of it. See? Very, very good. And I got the carne asada. Really, they call this a carne asada burrito smothered with green chili. Yeah, that's what they call it. But yeah, so far so good. My first time. You know what I'm saying? Very, very good. Awesome. And then on the side, I don't think they charged me. I thought they put the rice inside it, which I did see the rice. I do see the rice. So, let me go back. I guess. I don't know. Do you guys see? Do you guys see some rice? See?
They put them on the side.
Yeah, they might just put it on the side. Let's see. But wow. Okay, you guys get that bite. Sorry about that. Or you get that bite right there.
I'm
And on the side, they got some rice, Spanish rice with 2 limes, and 1 little salsa. And I could tell this is a good rice right here. Y'all take that bite. So I just want to come back to show you guys what I am eating on my cooking channel. Good choice, I guarantee. Take a picture of
It's
it.
not heavy though. You can tell you're surprised.
Right. It's not. You know how most Mexican restaurants, it be real heavy light, but this, some reason, real light, you guys, you know?
Tell them about mine. Okay,
let me show you what my daughter, she got the tamale, and it's really good. So next time,
wrapped up
if
in the banana leaf.
Yeah, next time if I go there, I will order that. But let me show you guys.
Said it's nice and moist. It got some bone in it. That's some Will Hood stuff right there. But that's chicken, I think, in there. But look,
And this right here is the what? Folded back, the leaf.
This is the banana leaf. And you don't eat that. And if you do, I want to see somebody eat it. But I ain't gonna eat that. But anyway.
But it's good, you guys.
It's really good and it's really
nice. She got the chicken. It's really good. Enchilada. Let me move your fork. I just want to take it.
I was trying to open it up.
Oh, go ahead. Got it. Let me open it up. Okay. It's really good. So if you guys live in Colorado and if you want to try some Mexican food, I recommend this place right here.
It's like a restaurant market.
It's really, really good, you guys. Trust me, I love Mexican food, and when I say it's good, it's good. I guarantee. All right, so let me go ahead and get out of here, you guys, because I don't want my food to get really, really cold. But yeah, huh?
Nothing.
Yeah. So anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really, really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on. And you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. By that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Bye-bye.
They straight up put a chicken wing in here. I promise you, it's the whole chicken. You don't see it?
Is that a bone?
No, well, it got meat on it.
Okay, my daughter said that's the bones.
They put a whole chicken in there. That's the bone right here.
Wow.
They wasn't playing. They just like wrap the chicken up and put it in a. But it's good. I'm not mad at it.
Right. Wow.
If you ever go back home and somebody making gumbo when they put everything in there, they don't even pull the chicken off the bone. That's pretty much.
Wow.
It's still good though.
I know that's right. All right, guys. Bye-bye. Take it on the back side.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay, you guys. So you see how much I got left over? I don't know. Some reason I cannot. I don't know. Is it because you get older, your appetite? You know, I get full real quick. But this is what I had left over. To let you guys know, I did not eat it all. There's some of the Spanish rice. But you guys, this sauce, I don't know what this is. But it tastes like a. I put some of that on my rice. No. I don't know what it is, but it tastes. But anyway, I just want to show you guys. I did not eat all of it. I did get some of their best pursuit, you guys. I might put this. Well, later on. I don't know if I'm gonna post now, but I did get some of their Mexican soup. Yeah, I mean Vespa soup. I said Mexican. So I didn't eat that yet. Well, I gave my husband half of it, the soup. But I don't know. But it looked like it had corn. That's beef, chopped beef in it, carrot. What was it?
English cucumbers.
English cucumber. That's name was everything in the soup. It looked like tomatoes, onion.
Like
it's just like a beef stew, but I put that. I didn't want to eat that yet. So that might be mine since I didn't eat all my food later on. I might just eat that. Yep. And yeah, so I will show you guys that in the video. So I just want to come back to show you guys. I did not eat all my burritos. All right. I'll see you guys again. I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Yep.
You know he gotta have this rice thing, dude.
Even though my daughter got the same ones, but she got the pork. So how was the pork?
It was good.
And
But I don't want to save it. I'm trying to eat it, but yeah.
I know, and she's trying to
what? No, you were about to put the phone on the food.
No. But I thought she knows she full because she got the tomato.
I'm very full.
I don't understand why she's
I didn't eat all the tamale.
She didn't. She didn't eat all her tomato, but yeah, she knows she full. She just.
I know I'm full, but what did I say? I hate warming up stuff.
Right.
Because it's not going to taste the same.
Well, yesterday you just got to know how to warm it up. All right, you guys. I just want to show you what burrito she had.
I might give it to Tony.
Boy, that motherfucker tear that shit up. You know what I'm saying? Especially fish. You know what I'm saying? That's all you been. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. If you heard me, I was, you know, scratch that out. I was talking about somebody else.
All you have to do is edit it and cut it. And
Yeah, I
then
know. All right. Welcome to my cooking channel. Welcome to my cooking channel, my food at Victoria Market and Restaurant. And also this is what I picked up. You know, you saw the food, the car, but I got this at that place as well. Well, it got the name on it, sure do. Yep. So uh, if you want them to season it, you know, they have some kind of special season where you buy the meat, they will season it for you. But yeah, yeah, 2 pounds, pretty heavy, but it's all right, cause they do that. And then I went ahead and got the chicken as well. Oh no, I'm sorry, this is the fajita. And I got 2 pounds. Sorry about that, you guys. Fajita. And yeah, I got the meat. And this is the chicken. My bad. I thought it said. I guess this is the chicken. Well, no. Well, yeah. Yes, it is. Well, anywho, I'll just let you guys what I got and stuff. Yeah. So that way, if I go back, I'll know what I got, you know, and stuff. So now this is the soup I was telling you guys got. So it real full, but I gave my husband some. So when I open it, you'll see. And see on the side, I guess you eat this with this. Yeah, see, then they have some kind of tortilla with it. They give you 1, 2, 3. Yeah, real soft. Or maybe 4. I think that's 4. 1. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the you guys saw that when I post when we went over to my friend's house. Um, this is where he shopped at. Cause he had a lot of these. And then yeah, that's where he got his meat from. This place. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you the soup. Yeah, I gave my husband half of it. But this is a bit like a vegetable soup. And then they got, let's see something. Let's see if I can I'll show you what's all in it. Yeah, I gave him half of it. I didn't eat it yet. So they give you corn. Ooh, see that? Corn and a lot of vegetables. It's just like a vegetable soup, you guys. Let's put this right here. I'll show you some of the vegetable soup. See, I just taste the juice and it's okay, you know. But I probably eat this because I didn't eat up all my burrito. So yeah. All right, so I just want to show you guys how I look. Okay, and that's, I promise, that is it. That's the end of my video. My dinner, even though I didn't eat that, but yeah. All right. Yep. Okay, this time I'm gone. Bye bye.